Hey guys, this is Lucy, and in this video I'm going to show you how to open multiple links or URLs in one click. So go to your Chrome browser and search for open multiple URLs. So it will give you several results. You just need to click on the first one with Chrome Web Store. So this is an extension you can add in your Chrome in the extensions. So you just need to click on add to Chrome and it will ask you if you want to add the extension. Click on add extension and here you will see all the extensions you have added. Just pin the open multiple URLs and go to the URLs you want to open. Select copy and go to your Chrome browser again. Click on this extension you just added and paste the links in this blank page. So click on open URLs. So before that, you can also check some of the settings at the bottom of this extension and click on open URLs. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.